And you see everything is looking pretty good. Pretty good. Greens is coming along. Onions is really coming in now. Getting him to do some weeding. But what I mean about ringing your onions to get bigger bulbs, which I'm just doing this to show, because I don't know if a lot of people know, but your onions, you want to keep ringing around them. That's why they call it ringing. Going around it like this, so you can sort of give that onion some room to grow, that bulb to start growing. And my grandpa, he used to do it with an old spoon. And I used to watch him do it, but I never did it, and I never did it. I never knew why he was doing it, so I never did it. But then I heard another YouTuber talking about it, and I was like, that's why he was doing it. That's why he was doing it. And I started doing it, and I started getting bigger bulbs, which she don't like them big, so these will end up getting pulled here in probably next week or so. Look at turnip greens. Turnip greens is looking good. About time to harvest some of them. I'm gonna pull some weeds as I go. Collard greens are coming along. They're coming along. Little okra out of them 7 I planted, it's only four or five I got to survive. So, but I got some more. So, strawberries are starting putting on berries. You can see that. They starting to put on berries. And they look pretty good. Most of them. Look at the ones with the pink bloom. Them is sweet berry. Strawberry. Them are the ones you purchased from Lowe's last year. Didn't really have too much good luck with them on the deck. But yeah, these strawberries will be coming in pretty soon. A lot more over there up under a grapevine. And that's one good thing about when you prune your grapevines. They reward you with more fruit set. My figs, they finally starting to wake up. Got a lot of this I probably have to cut off. That's probably gone. Since it's leafing out from down here, this is probably dead. So come back from there. And that one is the white Marcellus. No, but that's the Cadota. That's the Cadota, my bad. And this is the Cialis. It's leafing out from down there too. This is one that has the biggest figs I ever ate or ever seen before in my life, and that's that Olympian. You can see she's leafing out everywhere. Let me swing over here. It's starting to leaf out from down there. That's that white Marcellus. This right here is the beast. That LSU purple. Leafing out down there. That's Hugo. The beard is black. I broke a piece of it off and I stuck it right there. And it's actually coming back from there. And that's that brown turkey right here. It's starting to come back from down there. It was coming out from here, and then we had a cold snap, and I didn't cover it, and it killed that top though. So I won't get no breathe off that. And that's a Penage tiger fig. That's a yellow long neck. Yeah. Hey, all these strawberries over here flowering, setting berries. Yeah, the strawberries the first thing we get. So yeah, they coming. They coming. And the more I look at these Nat King cherries, it looks like maybe they're setting some fruit too. So maybe I'll get some of them too. Maybe. But yeah, this is what I was talking about when it rewards you for pruning. You know, pruning is a stimulator, so it stimulates growth. And you know, grapes, they grow on that year's cane. Look how many the Niagara grape. It's starting to set. Last year I only got 3 bundles off of this grapevine, but look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One right there, that's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Not mention these down here. 14, 15, 16, 17. Yeah. So she trying to show up. And this is a Niagara cutting that I took off of this one last year. And it's growing. Looks pretty good. This is Mr. Carlos right here. That's that Carlos Muscadine. It ain't showing fruit yet, and it's usually the latest one I got that I get fruit off of. This is the Concord grape. This is the grape variety. I don't know the technical name for it. I just know it's got grape Concord grapes on it. I did spray these with a copper fungicide this year. I did spray these with copper fungicide this year. Got some of that black rot that Concord grapes seem to get. Yeah. This is a green variety. It's not got anything on it yet. But it looks like you get ready to start forming. And this is a cutting that come off the oldest one I have here. And that's this one right here, which is a green variety too. Let's see about you. Like you're setting something right here. Setting something right there. And setting something right there. Right down here. Oh, you're spraying down here. Something like that. That's something right there. That's it. Yeah. So it look like maybe them Concords show up and do their thing this year. Blueberry still ringing. Flowering, setting fruit. A lot of them. Some of them already flowered. There's blueberry right here. That's it. That would take a lot of value. I don't have to cut off. Didn't even notice that earlier. Still ringing his bells. Fool you persimmon. Finally starting to wake up. Peas coming up right there. Few of them. Blueberries are starting to get how they flower. I got a little bag too, like blueberries. Those are coming up looking good. Yeah, it's coming up. Got to come up here. Peas. Well, I need to fertilize. That's a honey Italian. She's starting to wake up. That's a Texas Evergreen starting to wake up. Blackberries are starting to get ready to pop. Flower. I don't see no signs from the Violet A. Bordeaux yet. Little Red Haven, look. Wow. The Dolphins, just disappointing. We'll see Bayous are coming up. Carolina Kings looking pretty good. I need to trim them up, get all that dead growth and stuff like that. Let me get all of that Spent straw, stuff cleaned up and compost. Get punch some potatoes there, that ain't came up yet. It's very good, but it still ain't doing nothing yet either. Put some basil in these boxes, one in each box, one up there by the greens. Maybe that'll help combat some stuff. They still coming out, it's growing looking pretty good. Dwarf cattle, there's some other plant died, but look, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pups coming up. All this spent straw I need to get out. Guava only reaching out at the bottom, so I guess the top part of that's dead. But even now, I need to get over here and trim up. Okay, and rip that with your hand. Oregano still growing like crazy. Bella, Georgia. I think she took a lot of damage in the frost. I'm looking. I don't really see no fruit set yet. But she flowered like crazy, so maybe, hoping, maybe we'll get some. Big Red Haven still hasn't did nothing. I think it's dead. Or about dead. Little Red Haven looks terrible, but it's holding on to some fruit. A little yellow guava planted right there. Starting to look like it might get ready to start taking off. Garlic I planted there. It's the first hummingbird I've seen all year. It come right up on me and then it's gone. It was coming up on the suck on these comfrey. Comfrey attracts hummingbirds. They love comfrey. When they go in the seed like that, oh, they love it. They love it. So I try to wait till they go to seed like that, because we got hummingbirds all around here. I try to wait till they go to seed so they can have some to come around the garden and take care of some of them bad pests. Yeah. If you grow it, they will come. And it's also good for a chop and drop. That's what I use it for. Chop and drop and compost, speed up compost and make super juice. Raspberries hadn't put on no flowers yet. Look at mushrooms growing down there. You got mushroom growing, you know you got some good soil. Yeah, that's how that looks. I'll be moving all of these raspberries. Where to? I don't know yet. I don't think I'm gonna leave them here though. That way it needs to be pruned. I don't know. I'm slipping. I forgot what those things are. They're beautiful one. Get a few. I only got 5 last year. I was hoping for about 10 this year, but it don't look like it's gonna happen. It's still got some flowers right there. As far as I can tell. She's usually unreliable. But even these weathers got her thrown off for the last couple of years. All the ones I've seen earlier seem to be gone. I'm talking about a couple weeks ago when she was flowering real heavy. I don't see none that look like they took. We'll see. Pineapple pear, 4th year in the ground here. Has not flowered yet. It's moon glow. 2nd year here, flowered. 3rd year here, flowered, set a few fruit. And for the last 2 years, it hasn't flowered. It did nothing. I think I'm going to have to add more compost or something. This one right here, the champion. It's a Bartlett pear. 3rd year in the ground here. Flowered and gave me a couple fruits last year. Flowering again this year heavily. Third year in the ground. And look, it's even setting them up there. So, yeah. That whole cluster look like it's pollinated and set. So, yeah, we might get those. Fees. No, I don't know. We might, maybe not. Let's see how it goes. I'm starting to believe that these pears need to be grown on Central Leader and you'll get more fruit. Because see this one? It's growing like Central Leader style. These, I try to prune in the middle and open up the inside, and it's not fruiting. Since I trimmed that tree like that, it has not fruited. This tree has still not fruited since I had it, and that's that pineapple pear, and this is the 4th year. So maybe the Central Leader is the way to go on your pear tree. I don't know, I'm just pondering stuff in my head. This is not on the Central Leader either. That's gonna have fruited, flowered, and fruited for the last 4 years. Since the 2nd year it's been here. This is for the last 3 years because it's been here 4 years. Yeah. If we go over here, you can see them pink Belgian giants tomatoes is growing, getting big. Almost ready to transplant. I think I'll keep these 2 strongest too for the challenge. These 2 right here. And the rest of these, I'll put them out in a row with the rest of the tomatoes. I set them up. Soft tomatoes. These is Muncho cucumbers, beta apple cucumbers, some more pink, Belgian pink delicious, Belgian pink delicious. Belgian pink tomatoes, not delicious. That's delicious tomatoes. Got a few beefsteak tomatoes coming up now about time. Got spinach finally starting to come up. Germinated in this box. Yeah. These bananas is waking up. That's some Musu Baju. Musu Baju. Need to do all the stock taken off of them, separated. Beginning of the year, I try to separate my pumps and only leave like 2 there, sometimes 3. Take the other ones out, either give them away or sell them, whatever, what have you. Yeah, that's what it's looking out here. Thank y'all for tuning in once again. Odom's Homestead, as long as my passion.